I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator 22 in virtual reality. Since the game doesn't natively support VR, you'll need a special tool. VorpX is a third-party driver that acts as a bridge, transforming standard two-dimensional games into immersive virtual reality experiences. It's the primary method for bringing your farm to life in a three-dimensional space, offering a unique perspective on your agricultural endeavors. This setup allows you to step directly into the driver's seat of your favorite tractors and machinery. To begin, ensure VorpX is installed and running before you launch Farming Simulator 22. Once open, navigate to the Local Profiles tab within VorpX and create a new profile specifically for Farming Simulator 22. For the best starting point, search Cloud Profiles for a community-shared setup, such as Farming Simulator 2022, Mathis 21 or Farming Simulator 2022, Duke 54. Importing one of these profiles will provide a solid foundation for your virtual reality experience, saving you significant setup time. Before diving into virtual reality, set your desired graphics options within Farming Simulator 22 itself. Then, within the game settings, locate and enable the head/eye tracking option for proper head movement in VR. Crucially, open VorpX's configuration menu, go to the General tab, and uncheck Don't Optimize Game Settings. This prevents VorpX from automatically altering your carefully chosen in-game resolution, ensuring your visual quality remains consistent and sharp for an optimal experience. For seamless navigation, use your middle mouse button to toggle between virtual reality and cinematic modes, which is especially helpful for interacting with game menus. While in-game, press the Delete key to access the VorpX menu, allowing you to fine-tune the head-up display and tracking speed to your liking. Finally, experiment with the three-dimensional strength and focal offset settings in VorpX. Adjusting these values, typically between 115 and 215 for strength, can significantly enhance your comfort and immersion, making your virtual farm feel truly real.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.